Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel that is MG Vidyalay. So I hope that you all are celebrating your Navratri with great pomp and enthusiasm. I have wrote down a poem, and this poem is also based on situation and also the experience that I had in my life. And I'm definitely telling you, at the end of the poem you will come to know that through this poem I have learned something, and I'm surpassing the same learning outcome to all of you. So what is the name of the poem? The name of the poem is Rejection, and I hope that you are going to like this poem the way you have liked my other poems. रिजेक्शन से समझो मेरा बचपन का नाता है, रिजेक्शन से समझो मेरा बचपन का नाता है, पर हर बार मैंने खुद को संभाला है। कभी दोस्तों की फ्रेंडशिप की रिजेक्शन, तो कभी मेरे मेहनत के सफलता से मिलने का रिजेक्शन, और दोनों बार ऐसा लगा जैसे हो कमी कुछ मुझ में ही। चलो यहाँ तक संभाला खुद को, फिर बड़ी आगे जिंदगी में डरती फिरती, फिर मुझे मिला प्यार का रिजेक्शन, क्योंकि मैंने दे दिया था किसी को खुद से ज्यादा अफेक्शन। हाँ, लगे मुझे 3 साल उभरने में, लेकिन उस इनकार का जख्म इतना गहरा था जो ले आई जिंदगी में कुछ करने की जुनूनियत। बढ़ते पढ़ते कर ली पढ़ाई टीचर बनने की, बढ़ते पढ़ते कर ली पढ़ाई टीचर बनने की, लेकिन फिर बारी आई नौकरी करने की। न जाने कितने स्कूल के दरवाजे खटखटाए, हर बार सुना तुम में है डर, और इसलिए तुम्हें करनी है थोड़ी और मेहनत। फिर दे दिए मैंने खुद को 6 महीने, फिर दे दिए मैंने खुद को 6 महीने, और आज बन गई एक कॉन्फिडेंट बेबाक इंसान जो सुनती है तो सिर्फ अपने दिल की। रिजेक्शन से शायद सीख बहुत मिल गई, रिजेक्शन से शायद सीख बहुत मिल गई। अब खुद से प्यार करना सीख लिया मैंने यही। जिंदगी के रास्ते पे अब है अपनी मुक्ति, हर इनकार ने दिया एक नया फैसला। अब मंजिल की ओर कदम बढ़ाना लाजमी है, अब मंजिल की ओर कदम बढ़ाना लाजमी है। अब मोहब्बत है तो खुद से अपने फैसलों की, आगे की कहानी लिखनी है नई रंगों से। हाँ, मिली मुझे जिंदगी में बहुत सारी रिजेक्शन, लेकिन मेरी हर रिजेक्शन ने मुझे बनाया बेहतर इंसान। सो ये है मेरी कविता। Through this poem I just want to say is that life is really beautiful, but it's all about the person, how the person see his or her life. There are 2 ways of seeing the life. Either you see the life and take the things in positive way, or in other way. It's totally depend on the person. But I believe in seeing the things in a positive way, and also whatever shortcomings I have or I used to have some years back, I have worked on it. लेकिन मुझे जितनी भी रिजेक्शंस मिली मैं उनसे डरी नहीं। वही बात है, आपको रिजेक्शन मिलेगा तो आप या तो डर लो, या तो आप डर जाओगे, या तो आप कुछ कर जाओगे। लेकिन डरना, फिर वहाँ से डरना और भागना, आई डोंट थिंक दैट दिस काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड अ ह्यूमन शुड अडेप्ट। लाइफ में problems, rejections if comes, we have to confront with such situation. अगर आपने confront कर लिया तो then, as I've said in my previous poem, the sky is the limit for you. So accept everything in a positive way, and you should have a quality of knowing your weaknesses or shortcomings and working on it. And last but not the least, love yourself more than anybody else, because because nobody is giving or thinking about your existence or your presence in the world. Start loving yourself, start spending time for your own self, because these days spending time or working on other person I don't think it is going to help out in any way, because people they're going to come in your life, and then they will also go back from your life when they find you in trouble. So it's better you start. If you do not have friends, if you do not have any person to be with, then you stay alone. But don't jump into or don't involve yourself to a wrong group or to a wrong person, because then your life will be very pathetic. You cannot even imagine. So it's better give time to yourself and love everything about you, and start working on your skills, and that's it. I mean, you are important for your own self. Nobody is thinking about you. What are you doing? Whether you are happy or not, what problems you are facing, nobody is taking care of it. Nobody is even thinking about you or about your existence. So when no one is there, so it's better you just spend time you just think about your own self. So this is what my poem for the day. I hope that through this I have managed to give you some sort of lesson that you are going to inculcate in your life. I had now overcome with such situation in my life. Now I'm at better place, touch wood. So don't give somebody more importance than your own. Then you will lose your respect. Thank you everyone for listening to me and bearing me. Hope we'll catch up soon with something different and interesting. Take care.